So here's AirBrush app. So let's just take a look at it. Face photo editor, pretty cool app recently, quite popular. You can see it in the top charts, in the charts of number 44 among all of the charts in here. Retouch body and hair easily, so pretty good app in here. So then yeah, you can just open it up. You just need to accept and continue. So there is 7-day free trial. Then then you just pay. So here is monthly plan, $13 per month, or annually, and then there's 7-day free trial. So if you want to try this plan, here it is. You can just see 1 week free trial and then $55 per year. So that's the app. So for example, as you can see, if you don't want to upgrade, then it's okay. I really advise you also sometimes not to upgrade on the first attempt, and then on the second you will get a nice discount. So that's the idea. So save it for yourself. So that's the idea. And then you can give access to all your photos or whatever photos you like. And then, for example, you can then just select any photo you like, and then you can do like AI retouch. And then you have these really nice filters. And this is a really good app. As you can see, it works really nice. There are some ads, but still you can see the results in here. It's only if you want to save it, you will need to upgrade. You will if you want to save it, you will need to upgrade anyhow. And then there are some free filters, but as you can see, it's working really nice. It's not pixelated, everything's working smoothly. Then there is magic, which you can see. You can change the width, you can change sheen, you can change the face, so you can add. Actually, this one is not that good, but yeah, you can also attach all the makeup and change the intensity, which is really cool. And so yeah, that's the idea. And then you can attach additional filters, just easy filters. And that's a lot of different functionality here: reshape, precise, stretch, body, muscle, face fix, expression, tease, glitter. So super cool. Then you have your project. So you have camera, you have magic, where again you can just attach smoothness. Just use all these filters we just tried. And then you can just change the shape again. So that's it's not the best, but like for example, that's the idea. Then there is smoothness. You can attach more smoothness. So that's, and then you can see how it changes, just for the example. So really powerful filters in this app, and it's not that expensive. So, and you can see projects. So really good app. You can see photo settings. You can use Hake format to save your some space. Yeah, if you want to, then you can just upgrade. Then also there are some rewards. Give and get reward. Share it with friends and earn reward codes to use on AirBrush Premium. Share now. So here is my referral code for AirBrush. So feel free to use it. So that's just what you're getting in here. So feel free to use my referral code. And yeah, basically that's the app. Highly recommended. One of the best selfie editing apps right now.